Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your last love bite of the month. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Sagittarius. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Saggis, let's begin your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you again for being here. And if you're new here, Saggis, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. And Saggis, if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So center of my spread, Sagittarius, I have the Five of Cups in reverse, which means maybe there's some silence between the two of you as well. The High Priestess is here. Somebody does want to come out of this place where they don't want to regret losing someone. They feel things have really kind of gone down, maybe because of a third party or whatever conflict has happened here, but somebody is seriously now thinking about how they can get out of feeling this way forever, feeling this regret, this sorrow, this feeling of loss. So what's happening here? Let's see. Strength, Four of Cups, the Moon, Judgment, Five of Cups, Nine of Wands, Three of Wands, Queen of Cups, and the Death in reverse. See, exactly what I said. Somebody is feeling very rejected, dejected, left behind, not excited about life. Maybe somebody is holding back from the connection and that's why they're feeling like that. They feel feeling very emotional at this moment as well. Feeling maybe there's secrets in this connection now. Somebody is still kind of waiting for their ships to come in. They want this fight to end. Things have really been disrupted here. Maybe they don't have a hope for a second chance, but they do want to come out of this place of feeling of regret and sorrow. There could be distance between the two of you, but there is a Queen of Cups here maybe this is the Queen of Cups now who's still holding on to the connection, who doesn't want this to end completely. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Sagittarius, and then we'll start clarifying these cards. Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Let's take a few from here. Sagittarius and their person, if they could say something to each other now, spirit. Okay. And a few from here. Sagittarius and their person. All right. Okay, Saggis, let's begin your reading. Your first card here says, enough of divine timing already. You want to be with me, I want to be with you. Why can't we just get our shit together now? Like I said, maybe somebody has been holding back from the connection, but the other person doesn't want this. They want to hold on. They don't want to be just staying here in sorrow and regret and feeling bored and lonely. They're saying, I can't wait anymore. Let's do this now. If you want me and I want you and we know what we want, why are we wasting time? I can tell when you're speaking from your ego or higher self. Although I love your soul, I must admit I don't like your ego. They're saying, why are you keeping ego and holding back? Let's just end this conflict right now and kind of get back together, I think. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to show someone, if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another one like that. The thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. My desire is to have a family with you. Would you have a baby with me? Like I said, somebody doesn't want this connection to end, still holding on. The death card is usually an ending, but when it's in reverse, It means somebody's still holding on to the thought that I don't want it to end. I didn't think it was possible to feel this much. Thoughts of you fill my head. I would like you to meet my friends. I want you to be involved in all areas of my life because you're my world and I want everyone to know. It's the little things that you do that make you so special. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Yes, well, somebody is feeling very, very sad and feeling rejected here. They feel their person is holding back, keeping secrets from them, and they don't want that. They still want to hold on to the connection. So let's start clarifying these cards, Sagittarius. Before that, I am going to take an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you, and then we'll begin your reading. So my angels for Sagittarius, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, sweetness. It's time to bring some sweetness back into this connection, it seems, Sagittarius. Or maybe when you guys are together, it's really sweet and loving. But I think somebody is holding back, maybe because of their ego or distance or I don't know what. So Spirit is saying it's time to now bring some sweetness back into this connection. So let's see. What's the Strength card, Spirit? Strength card. Somebody is holding back. Maybe this was a promise breaker. Maybe they made some promises and now they're holding back from them, and that's making the other person feel very rejected, very dejected, very sad, not feeling happy. They still want to have victory with this person who broke their heart. What's this Moon card? Moon card. Yes, somewhere this person feels, whoever's feeling sad and rejected, feels that this is my wish fulfillment, this is the person I want, but they're also very angry because they feel their person keeps secrets from them, breaks promises, never does the right thing. But heart of hearts, I think, even though there is a little upset and anger with this Queen of Wands in reverse, they are still wishing and hoping for victory with this person. What's this Judgment in reverse? Judgment in reverse. Yes, they feel that person is not kind of making any wise decisions. They're being very ungrounded. Maybe they're concentrating too much on their money, on their finances, and being a bit stingy with their time to give to this connection, and kind of passing judgment on them, but also thinking that my person is not doing the right thing by me, not stepping up and offering me a stable ground to work on. As much as this Queen of Wands wants to now not be feeling the sad and rejected and not be in hermit mode anymore, they kind of feel they're not sure whether a second chance will be given to this connection. But they really do want to come out of this place of feeling sadness and regret and missing their partner, and they do want to try one more time. Right now, even though they're very angry, upset, they've lost trust on their person who they feel is a promise breaker, who's ungrounded, who's not offering. I see that somebody still secretly hopes and wishes for one more chance. They want to fight for this connection one more time, and they just don't want to fight anymore. Yes, they don't want to fight anymore, but they feel, it's come to that place where they're saying, even if you don't offer me commitment, offer me love, because I love you so much. Let's just not fight anymore. One more, Spirit, for the Nine of Wands in reverse. Yes, so there is a bit of reflection going on. Somebody is kind of maybe just asking themselves, did I push this person away? Did I ask for too much? And is that the reason my person has run away from me? What if I tell them that I don't want commitment? What if I tell them I love them and I just want to be with them? So these are all the thoughts that are going on, I think, in this Queen of Wands mind. Three of Wands. whoever this masculine is, even though I think they have love in their heart, there's always a sense of conflict. There's always a sense of rash behavior, never opening up with their, heart, or always keeping themselves at a distance. Never really kind of bringing harmony to this connection. But this is an equal match. There's a King of Cups and a Queen of Cups. What's this Queen of Cups, Spirit? Yes, this Queen of Cups does have a lot of love. They're upset that things have gotten stuck between the two of you. Things are not moving. Either they are hoping for an apology now, or if they are, I think this Queen of Cups is that loving that they are even willing to offer that apology if they feel that can make things work. They just don't want to end this connection, whatever said and done. They miss the passion. They miss that excitement. And yes, they're still at crossroads waiting. They're still at crossroads waiting, hoping, wishing that a choice will be made soon. Right now not feeling it, but still waiting. So what's this High Priestess, Spirit in the upright? Yes, you guys I think are not... somebody is still waiting for a return, not saying anything. Maybe you guys are not talking to each other because somebody created some kind of a tower moment. Maybe there was a fight or a conflict here. But somebody still is quietly meditating or waiting for some happiness to return or some kind of a reunion, reconciliation to happen. Am I right, Spirit? Yes, they feel attached. They feel that there's a very strong, magnetic, obsessive attachment that they feel to this person. So even knowing all their bad traits and knowing that this person is a promise breaker and is always creating conflict, never really stepping up to the plate, somebody here is still kind of hoping, wishing, can still feel that magnetic attraction and wanting a reunion. So that's all I have for you. Yes, there is a broken heart here, but the hope is still alive. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.